In this video, we're going to be creating an improvisation all on the white keys. The right hand is going to have these basic triads on the white keys in root position, what's called root position. You don't need to understand that yet. Just think every other tone for 3 notes, and the fingering is going to be 1, 3, 5 in the right hand. You can do that anywhere on the keyboard on the white keys. And the left hand is going to have octaves. 2 Ds together, or Bs together, Gs together, Cs together, whatever it is. Okay? Now, here is the deal. The right hand is going to have broken triads, and the left hand is going to have broken octaves. So, let's say we're in A octaves, A position, because the hands are going to parallel one another. So, A position triad on the white keys, and then your A octave. But both are going to be broken. So could we just break the 5 going up? Sure, we could. That's kind of a neat sound. We could move that around. Let's do it on F. Let's go to A. Let's go to F. It's kind of neat. Just going back and forth between those. Let's go to G. That's kind of a neat sound. I could do the reverse. I could go down. I'm going to go a little faster. Okay, simple things. Now, I could go down and then up. Okay, you hear what I'm doing? Down the 3, down 2, come back up. I'm going to go to the E position. Let's go to F. Let's go to D position. C position. A position. I'm going to move it up. Okay. So, I was going down, then up. What about up and then down? Let's try F. Let's hear it way up here. In D. F. D. C. A. So you get the idea. Now, the right hand could be broken, not just these individual tones. I could block a couple of them together and separate out one of them. So this is a very common sound in popular music especially. And then these need to be broken. Well, I could break them also with the thumbs coming together. You get something like this. Also do the outside 2 and separate out the middle finger. Let's go to A. Notice I'm still breaking the octave. Back to C. Now I could make the left hand more the constant one. Create some sort of syncopated figure with the right hand. A, F, A. Now, I could do something where they're doing that rhythm, but together. Right? Everything is happening at the same time. Doesn't require as much sort of coordination. Okay? All right. I think you get the idea. This could be moving quite fast and be regular. Something like that. Now maybe this in the right hand is moving very slow and more melodic. Let's go to E. Let's go to D. So I'm creating something melodic in the right hand, but I'm just using the triad notes. Let's go to G again. E. D. Let's go to A. So you get the idea. The right hand has the triad, all broken, however you see fit, and the left hand has broken octaves. See what you can make of that.